Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. To any of you having a Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys, you need to remove or replace oil pressure sensor guys, oil pressure sensor or oil pressure switch. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, how to replace it. You don't need to remove your engine to do that, simply we have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we can show you everything with a great detail. So this should work on Kia Sportage and Kia Sorento different years. For instance, they start using it in early 2012 all the way to 2016-17 depending on the market guys. That's a 2.4 GDI engine. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage guys, we take them completely apart and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Also guys, if you want to buy parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Specifically, this is an engine out of a 2013 Kia that we'll be demonstrating on. And with that being said, okay, if you have a Kia guys or other vehicle, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have videos that have helped more than 120 million people guys, that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So now we have the engine out guys. Thing that we did, we removed the intake manifold. If you guys want to see how to remove intake manifold, we have the complete video on our channel step by step. Some of you may know how to do that, but if you want to see how to safely remove the intake manifold, we'll teach you how to do that. Number two guys, you need to disconnect your car battery. We'll explain why. Because that oil pressure sensor is super close to the engine starter and the alternator, okay, positive wire. So what can happen now guys, okay, here what can easily happen is that sensor, if you touch actually the 12 volt positive wire on the starter or the alternator anywhere to the engine, you can guys short things out, you can cause damage to the engine, computer, the electrical system, you can catch yourself on fire. Now on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it wrong, you can cause damage again to the electrical system and the computers, and we have a special video that explains that. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you do that guys, okay, if you look at it, you come right here. Once you remove the intake manifold, that's the starter, alternator, high pressure fuel sensor, the fuel rail sensor, and right here underneath guys, okay, that's where your oil pressure sensor is located. So how do you guys remove that thing? Okay, you press down here, okay, on the connector, and you unplug it guys. And if you look now, 24 millimeter socket goes on top of the sensor, okay, and we're going to get it loose. Now you may leak some oil out, be prepared, because okay, usually you will have engine oil there, so get a rag or something to wipe it. Okay, now right there guys, you can see that's the oil pressure switch, oil pressure sensor. That's how we remove it guys. If you want to see how to test them, we have a special video on our channel that will teach you how to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more help and see you guys next time.